on walking. Just keep on walking. This is the view of Nairobi, how it looks like. It's a rush hour. Oh. So guys, let's cross on the other side of the road. The weather is so good. The weather is a bit cool here. So guys, let's keep on walking. So let's walking. You can get your veggies here. We have potatoes. Oh, let's find our way. The place is so populated. The place is so populated. So let's keep on going. Let's keep on going. Let's go on the other side of the road. Oh, let's go on the other side of the road, guys. Let me show you the view of how this place looks like. This is the view. So the view looks like that. So let's keep on walking. Let's keep on walking. So if you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. If you have not subscribed to my YouTube channel, kindly subscribe. We are still in the street of Nairobi. So let's keep on going. So let's keep on going. Keep on walking. cross on the other side of the road. So guys, let's go. This is how Nairobi looks like. And guys, this is one of the tallest buildings in Nairobi. It's called the Center. Let's keep on walking. Let me show you the view of it. This is how it looks like.